Hi, this is Mitch Ledger, 3rd Flying Tigers. Hey, I had a unique opportunity, so I thought I'd share it with you. Once in a while I'll get a plane with a tank, but it's rare that I would get 2 frags in one video. This convenient hillside was really nice because I could turn my gun way up on this ME-262. He's the one with the cannon, so he's going to try to come straight down on me. And I managed to wound him just enough that he couldn't pull out of his dive. Down he went. Shortly after, I was still running around looking for other targets. We had them on the run a little bit, but they were starting to take back some of the zones, and I could see that B was being taken over, so I was going to head over there. And I called an artillery strike on B. And it turns out that there was an attacker of ours already there, and a BF-109 that was going to make a strafing run on him, low over B, right when my arty was coming in. I'll give you 3 guesses of what happened, and the first 2 guesses don't count. Yep. My arty shell took out his tail, ripped off some of his plane, his elevator came off. He couldn't pull out of his dive either. Just gotta love it. I love it when it works. Thanks, War Thunder. Mitch Latcher, see you out there.